What's up, Kangas? I do a burnout, son. Coming to save Kangas's truck. Little love tap. Well, just go and we'll see what happens.
All we're gonna hear in the videos, this one's cheaper.
This one's cheaper.
But SMD software ain't gonna spread.
Thank Mark. You ever take that back thing off the on the right side? Oh yeah. So far we got ball joints, upper and lower broken. Disconnecting the steering linkage, the center linkage. We got disconnected from the gearbox. Then we're gonna get the lower control arms off because we're replacing the lower control arms, upper control arms, all the ball joints, pretty much everything as far as the front steering and suspension goes.
El ritmo que se siente sabroso como jugo de manzana.
So we're gonna try to kind of clean all this stuff up so we can paint it black, paint the fender liners. We're gonna leave the gearbox, reuse that, but pretty much everything else is gonna be new. So we're gonna replace the lower control arm bushings, but we have a brand new set of upper control arms, and then the rest is just gonna be, we'll have new drop spindles and some drop springs for the front. So Blake, working on your first drop, scale the 1 to 10, what do you think it is?
Not been that bad so far. No bolts broke off, so.
For it being Blake's first drop, me and Kangas is probably like 5th or 6th or 7th drop. All right, so now we got everything out on both sides. We're gonna get a new pitman arm, idler arm, all new tie rods, ball joints. We're gonna wire brush everything down, paint it black. Get all the fender wheels cleaned up. I'd say we made good progress in just one day. We were able to get the whole front end taken apart.
quiere ritmo se tiene que mover igual que Juana. Baile como Juana la cubana. Viendo bailar a Juana me quedo hasta las 6 de la mañana. Baile como Juana la cubana.
Un paso para adelante y otro para atrás, pero con ganas, chicos.
Wiggle a little bit. Take a little persuasion.
Say my first word again.
You just have to cut out.
Phantom.
Frame that.
Phantom.
Damn, play. Like on a knuckle or what?
Yes.
Should. Made in the USA, huh? Yeah, so I think we're done. Just, I mean, kinda, but